Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit the mobile version of our website in Hostinger Website Builder. I am, I am now inside my website builder. To edit the mobile version of your website, just click on this little mobile icon and you can slightly edit your mobile version elements. You can, for example, edit this text placement, for example, a little bit closer. As you can see, I will delete these social elements, and don't forget to update your website after your edit on mobile. And this is how to edit the mobile version of a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.